Just north of Bellevue and Kirkland is a little town called Bothell, located in the highly rated North Shore School District. And inside Bothell, you'll find the coveted neighborhood of Queensborough, and that's where our newest listing is. And what I love most about our new listing is the huge entertainer's deck that looks out on the large level and fenced backyard. This home is proudly offered at $849,000. As you enter this move-in ready split, you'll notice the open feeling and the laminate wood flooring throughout, the bright living room with wood-burning fireplace, and the dining room with access out to that great deck. But once you get in the kitchen and you look up, you'll see the vaulted ceilings with 3 skylights just letting that natural light pour in, maple cabinets, the subway tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. As we head back, we'll find the primary bedroom with a 4-piece ensuite attached. There's 2 additional bedrooms and an additional full bathroom upstairs, making this a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,055 square foot home. As we head downstairs, we'll find the spacious family room where you'll find the extra storage along with the updated forced air gas furnace and central AC unit, a custom gas fireplace, and the slider out to the patio area and backyard. The full bathroom is fully updated, the 4th bedroom, an office space, and an oversized laundry room, along with access to the attached 1-car garage. Call us today for your private showing at 206-351-0543.